My name's Tracy Rude, lead welder, fabricator here at Holloway. I got started in the industry back in 2012. 2011 is when my daughter was born, and I've been doing construction work my whole life. So needed something that was a little bit more reliable, something that had more steady pay, steady hours, because in construction it's always hit and miss with pay, hours, weather, all that stuff. So I knew some people in the industry that had been doing it for a long time. Some of my friends' dads growing up worked in the industry. They used to work at Precision Stainless. And I knew that there was a lot of companies in town as far as the welding and fabrication side goes. So I decided to go to OTC and do their 20-week welding program. Well, the reason why I chose Holloway is actually I know the day shift supervisor, and I've known him since I was a kid. And I had posted on Facebook that I'd started welding school. So he called me up and said, hey, why don't you come out here and fill out an application? So I did, and I've been here ever since. I'd say what drew me to it more than anything is being able to work with your hands. Like I said, I worked in construction most all my life. I was familiar with building stuff. I'd build houses, siding, soffit, fascia, windows, framing, all kinds of stuff. So it was a pretty easy transition to decide to do this, because just working with a different material. And metal can be a lot more forgiving than wood. The fun and cool part about the welding itself is being able to manipulate steel the way that we do. Welding it together, being able to take a liquefied puddle of liquid steel and put it where you want it and make it look the way you want is probably the coolest part about welding.